Don't want others to see who you follow on TikTok? Totally understandable. TikTok gives you the option to hide it, but the rules depend on what kind of profile you have, public or private. If your profile is public, by default, anyone can see who you follow, even people who don't follow you. However, there is a setting that allows you to hide this list from everyone, regardless of whether they follow you or not. If your profile is private, only your followers can see who you follow, but you can also hide this list completely so that no one but you has access to it. In this video, I'll show you how to enable this option and increase your privacy, no matter what type of profile you have. Quick, simple, and effective. So first, find the TikTok app on your home screen and open it. Once you're in TikTok, the next step is to tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. When you're on your profile, the next thing you need to do is tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen, and then from the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the Settings page. Once you're in Settings, find the Privacy option and tap on it. After that, scroll down a bit and locate Following List. When you find it, tap on it. This will open a menu where you'll see 2 options: Everyone and Only You. To hide the list of people you follow, choose the Only You option. Once you do that, no one will be able to see who you follow, regardless of whether your profile is public or private. And that's all for this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon in my next video.